When they ask how many people are there, they say over 500,000. No, I won't give 500,000. Announce Shekarau. It happened in Ghana before the election of the last president. 2 days, a lot of us were called to intervene. But why did they do that? The people were ready to die. You are talking, abusing everybody. Nobody has power and will give it to you. Nobody, not even me. If you want a pastor as president,
welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything about things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In that short clip that we watched, in this video, we're not talking about the subject matter that Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi was talking about. We are talking about his dressing at that occasion. You know that was the gathering of some top politicians in Nigeria, in Abuja recently, at a conference to discuss the state of the nation and political development in Nigeria, the way forward. And some of the things that Amaechi said in that video, if you watch the full length, have been subject of discussion and have been subject of various reactions and interpretations. But what I'm looking at is the way he dressed. This was Amaechi's first public outing in 2025. Not that he had not been coming out in the public, no doubt about it, but this was his first outing in a public gathering with top politicians. And this event happened shortly, a few days after Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, who was also the former governor of River State, like Amaechi, publicly, without anybody, in a staged press conference. Because if you listen to the question that he was asking by the AIT reporter, that you know that question about his reaction to Senator Azuta-Mbata, his kinsman, imagine the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You know that question was a question that was prepared in advance. Even the person asking it, the way he was laughing, giggling, as he was asking the FCT minister, because that question was irrelevant to the job of Nyesom Wike right now as Minister of FCT. But they have to bring it up. Where Nyesom Wike now said that he's not Igbo, and that he's unapologetically not Igbo, and that he has no regret about it, something like that. And in which generated also a lot of reaction. Now, it was after that interview that this occasion took place in Abuja. And by dressing the way Amaechi dressed, in Igbo attire, top to bottom, is an indication of himself, is showing that he is proud to be an Igbo man from River State. It is to spite Nyesom Wike too, who is denying his own identity. That's my interpretation of what Amaechi did by coming out like that. And of course, to the credit of Amaechi, when he was minister, from time to time, he dresses like this and more. So he has always been proud of his heritage. He is from River State, like Nyesom Wike. Okay, I remember the exchange he had with Senator Baribe, where Baribe was challenging him that about the railway distribution, saying that he didn't pass through Southeast and all that. Amaechi appeared on China's television, where he vigorously defended himself and talked about that he will not be there in the cabinet as an Igbo man and will be there and they will deny Igbos their right. Of course, you can say, what did he do for Igbos when he was minister? But even if you are going to ask, what did Amaechi Rivers Igbo man do for Igbos when he was Minister of Transportation? There are so many other ministers of Igbo stock in that administration of Buhari. What did they do that were different? Okay, so you can't single Amaechi out and say, what did he do for Igbo person if he's proud to be Igbo? What did he do? Of course, whatever he did for Igbos is not that's not the subject of this discourse. But it is to show the diversity of how Igbo people in River State see themselves. Some are proud of being Igbo and they are unapologetic about it too, just as Nyesom Wike is unapologetic about being an Ikwerre man and saying that he's not Igbo, even as documented reports, including by the Europeans and everything, always classify Ikwerre as Ikwerre Igbo. If you go and see pictures that were taken by the British in the colonial period and all that, they describe it as Ikwerre Igbos, just as other subsets of Igbos exist. Okay, so the essence of this is that Amaechi was deliberate. That's my thinking. I may be wrong, but I think Amaechi was deliberate in his first public appearance in something that will attract the gathering of the big wigs of Nigeria's politics, including Vice President Ogbakor. He was deliberate in the attire that he put on to announce his Igbo-ness. He's proud that he's proud being an Igbo of reverse extraction, and it is to show Nyesom Wike that you may be saying whatever you like about not being Igbo and all that. Many of us in River State, we are Igbos and we are proud. I think that's kudos to Amaechi for that display of his Igbo-ness and being proud of it. I think he deserves commendation for that, because it is a message to several other Igbo deniers in River State that there are several others, millions of them in River State, who are proud, who are Igbos, who are proud, who does not share the ideology of Nyesom Wike when it comes to identity issue, especially on the Igbo identity. That's just what I want us to understand and to appreciate Amaechi for what he did. It's commendable. It's commendable coming from him, from River State. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.